gotta change them solenoids.
Yeah.
Take them off too.
Yeah, I got a lot of shit on YouTube, Brandon. Rebuild 2000 Crown Vic.
Halfway through it. Oh, that's you too right there. I just busted it apart. Your pump. It's a cylinder with the valve we're going to change. Your pump gears. This is your valve body I got right here I'm tearing down.
Yeah.
This thing's got a lot of stuff. This is where your little ball bearings and stuff that everybody's always talking about. I'll show you. It's a 900 screws. How many times this something comes apart? These gaskets, I gotta get them off here too.
Yeah.
Damn, it looks like it's gonna come off these.
That motherfucker, man.
See how hard it is, man?
Flaky as hell.
Watch
Yeah.
that.
See it.
Snap right into it.
It
Them
must-
other ones you can fold them into, and I mean, they're the new ones. They ain't supposed to do that. They're supposed to be soft. They're not supposed to be hard like that.
Shit, the motherfucker been in there 15 years.
Yeah, that is the same way, I'm sure. See,
Yeah.
all your gaskets are gone. Then this is where the little ball bearings and all that. I know where all that goes, by the way.
Yeah.
If I dump them in here, I don't got to worry about losing them. There's no hose big enough for nothing to fall through.
Got my guy Brandon right here. We doing a rebuild on my 2000 Crown Victoria. Rebuild on the transmission. Got him broke all the way down. And I don't know, I'll get back with you a little bit. We'll get a little farther.
And when I get all this washed up, I'll show you.